All right. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Kenny Don here. I film. All right. Woo! Wow, my arms are. It's not gonna work. Okay. Man, this video is not intended to mock. Quite the opposite. I, like so many other people, have such a great respect for Peter McKinnon's work. Man, I've tried all day to shoot. I shot coffee, I've shot using the drone, I've done B-roll of trees, fungus, a bicycle, my SVT Cobra. It didn't make the final cut. Out of all the things that I've filmed, I've learned one thing about Peter McKinnon. He's a genius. Man, Peter, if you're watching, just know me, like so many other, greatly admire your work. Peter McKinnon has worked for years perfecting his craft. His color grading, his framing, his shot selection. It's just a beautiful symphony of art. Throughout the years, yes, he's been able to afford the right gear. Tens of thousands of dollars worth of cameras, camera equipment, lenses. He's worked so hard over so many years diligently putting together a package of art. That is Peter McKinnon. Hope all is well, guys. Enjoy your day.